Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best car wash toys for children that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best car wash toys for children. You want to make sure you get the best toy set that's safe, fun and can last as long as possible. We've searched high and low to find the best car wash toys for children of all ages. Curious to know more? Make sure you stay tuned to see our top picks. Number 5. Melissa and Doug's Service Station. This wooden service station is a great place for the imagination to go wild. Your child will also get 2 cars to play with. Suitable for ages 3 to 6 years. Main features. Parking garage is a 2-level. Wooden car set for kids includes. Easy to carry. Number 4. Shopkins Cutie Cars Spa Wash. The Spa Wash set has 2 levels that the cutie cars have to drive through to get clean. There's also an elevator, decoration station, and a dry and scent station. Main features. Has 2 levels of play to transform. Includes 1 deco brush and a collector's guide. Features an elevator. Number 3. Hot Wheels Ultimate Car Wash. On this track, your child has to get their car through the wash as quickly as possible. Just after the wash, there's an alligator waiting, hungry for automobiles. Main features. Impressive large-scale car wash set. Push-around play rollers. Escape the swirling whirlpool. Number 2. Matchbox Mission Garage Playset. This 4-level garage features cars have to drive down to get to the different levels. The top level is where the cars enter through the working elevator. Main features. Large-scale 4-level garage. 4 levels of activity include. Features a premium car wash. Number 1. Little Tykes Wacky Wash. There's also a bubble maker and a blower. The best thing is that it's quick to inflate. Let your children use their imaginations. It's for ages 18 months to 8 years. Main features. Role-play inflatable. Includes a soap bubble maker. 1 sprayer with extra hose to spray. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.